how to play Quizbowl in Discord. As you can see here in Discord, I've got my Discord window open, and I'm in the general channel. When you join a Discord tournament server, this is what the channel will look like. To play Discord Quizbowl, I need to join a voice channel. So as you can see, I've already been added to the sample room here, which I'm now hovering over. Currently, the category containing the sample room is collapsed. You can see that this little arrow is pointing to the right. If I click on it, it uncollapses. Now you can see that the arrow is pointing down, and I can join sample room text. Currently I'm in general, the text channel general, and I can leave this text channel to join the sample room text channel. So now I can see this text channel, and I can post a message by clicking on this little input button here and sending a message in there. You'll notice that my nickname has my name in it as well as my team. I'm on team A2 for this demonstration. Arthur and Felix are team A1, and Eddie, Robert, and I are on team A2. So now that I've posted in the sample room text channel, I need to join the voice channel. So what you'll see over here is this hashtag designates a text channel, while this kind of speaker icon designates a voice channel. So I will click on the speaker icon to join. Remember, if the category is collapsed, you need to uncollapse it by clicking on it to join the voice channel. So I will join the voice channel. So what I did just now is I muted my microphone. See this microphone icon down here that I'm hovering on? You can click that to toggle your mute. Now I've unmuted. Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yep.
Yeah, we can. Hi, I can hear you. Yes.
All right, great. You'll notice that everybody's video feeds are on. To turn your own video feed on, go back to this bottom left corner and click this video button. And there is my video feed. You're going to need to turn your video feed on while you're playing Quizbowl in order to ensure that you're not cheating. And it helps if you keep one hand visible like this, or like this. Do something like that. Alright, so now that we've covered how to join the channel, turn your video on, and unmute your microphone, one more thing is you can disable everybody else's videos. Currently, Discord is loading all the other players' videos as well as the moderators, and this could slow my computer down. So what we're going to do is stop Discord from loading their videos by disabling their videos. This only disables it on my side, not on their side. Their video is still streaming. Just I won't see it. So to disable someone's video, you right-click on them. In this case, I'm using Arthur, so I right-click on him, and I select the Disable Video box. Now you'll see that I can only see Arthur's profile picture, not his video feed. So this is going to make my computer run a lot faster, and I'm going to go ahead and do that with Felix, Robert, and Tiffany as well. I'm going to leave my own video on so that other people can watch me if they want to, or in Tiffany's case, she will, just to make sure I'm not cheating. Okay, now that that's done, we can go ahead and play some Quizbowl. I'm going to go back to the text channel, and before we start reading questions, I'm going to pre-type buzz. So basically, I'm typing buzz in this message input here, but I'm not pressing enter. When I hear a clue that I know to buzz on, or when I want to buzz, I'll press enter, and that'll send the buzz message without me needing to type out buzz. So basically, the enter key will be my buzzer.
All right. If both teams are ready, then we can begin with Toss-up 1. In this poem, a group of men open a bag they think contains treasure, but which actually contains wind that blows there. Arthur? That's correct. Power?
So you can see that Arthur has chosen to answer in the text chat. He could also have unmuted his microphone and answered through voice chat. Either way is acceptable. Now what team A1 is going to do is they're going to confer on the bonus using the text chat. So basically they'll just type whatever they think, and they'll communicate through text chat, and when they want to direct an answer, they'll send it in all caps.
A1, your bonus. The angst between political parties is not a new development in American politics. For 10 points each, name this man who argued against the establishment of political parties in his 1796 farewell address. which he wrote as he retired to Mount Vernon after serving 2 terms as president. Any answer? That's correct. This Frenchman attacked the nature of political parties in early 19th century America in his landmark treatise, Democracy in America. That's correct. Joshua Norton, a resident of this western city, proclaimed himself Emperor of the United States and, in 1869, issued a decree banning the Democratic and Republican parties. Norton also issued a decree ordering a suspension bridge to be built to connect the city and Oakland, which eventually did happen. That's correct. 30 on the bonus.
Great. Now let's move on to toss-up 2. Again, everybody's going to pre-type buzz in the chat. And let's start.
Toss-up 2. In 1934, the controversial construction of the Parker Dam on this river required the National... Eddie?
Colorado.
That's correct. For power.
All right, now Team A2 is going to collaborate on the bonus using voice, and you just saw Eddie answer the toss-up through voice. So let's go ahead and listen to what Tiffany has to say.
A2, your bonus. Berta Morisot. Echo.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I just want to make sure it doesn't. Okay. A2, your bonus. Berta Morisot was one of the great dames of a group that a contemporary art critic called 5 or 6 lunatics, who became known as the Impressionists, for 10 points each. The great dames of Impressionism are Morisot, Marie Bracquemont, and this American woman who painted the boating party.
I think it's Cassatt.
Yeah, it's Cassatt.
All right, Cassatt final.
That's correct. Morisot and Cassatt frequently painted these people. Morisot painted these people with older relatives in On the Balcony and The Cradle, and Cassatt painted one of these people having a foot washed by a woman in a blue striped dress.
It's just
children.
Yeah, just children. Children final. Yeah.
That's correct. Though many of the Impressionists preferred to work with large dabs of oil paint, Morisot was a master of this method of painting, which uses paint or ink in a namesake wet suspension. This painting method is common in elementary school art classes.
This is watercolor, right?
Yeah, I think so. Watercolor final.
That's correct.
Yeah. Going back to the beginning of this bonus, Tiffany told me that I was echoing. Sometimes the noise from the speaker goes back into your microphone, and that creates an echo which bothers other players. To mitigate that, you can do what I did and just mute your microphone while you're listening to the bonus.